To use magnified view to precisely select area with Smart Select in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra with Android 14. While you are viewing content you'd like to capture, remove your S Pen to open up the Air Command menu. And then tap Smart Select. Now tap the pin or insert icon on the toolbar. Now drag the edge of the selected area with your S Pen to adjust it. You can see as you are adjusting the selected area, a magnified view appears to help you start and end your selection at the perfect spot. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.